Are taking the bus to get our inspection done so we can get our tags, and this is the first time we've been in the bus that it's not 120 degrees. So we finally have a moment to look at our home and see without sweating so bad. I'm so excited. I'm gonna take a video of the interior.
It is raining, but all I can see is the summer we spent. The letter in my wallet, I'll keep it till we meet again. You should never doubt it's true. I am not for good.
So we made a couple changes, so I want to tell you what they are. This where Alan's desk was going to be, we're going to scrap that. I'm going to put some kind of a bench seating here. I'd like to just buy a cushion, and I don't know if you could just build a box with a width like about so high that I can have storage underneath. It can even be open. So if you could just build a bench like that, and then I can slip something in there, and then I'll have bench seating here. Alan's chair that you have will go here, and we're just gonna leave it freestanding so that we can move it around. And we were originally thinking to mount it to the floor, but we're not gonna do that. We just wanna set the chair here. Then this is going to be Alan's office. So we are going to have a top of the desk fabricated in Phoenix, because then Alan can talk to him and be telling him what he wants. So the desktop is going to come here, and it can just be mounted on a shelf hanger. So the shelf hanger can attach here and attach here, so the desktop is here. We're going to buy a pre-made cabinet to go under here. You don't need to do anything. So then we are going to get our bifold doors, and the two doors, we want them to swing this way. So the door swings here, and then this one, the door is going to swing here. And I want you to put those doors here. So this will be our solar cabinet, and hopefully right here you can build us a regular closet with a dowel for hanging clothes. So we will have this closed off, because this will be the closet, and then those doors will just have open and close here, like that. So you can cut them down the middle, however it works best. I just want to make sure the hinges are sturdy enough so that they don't wobble, and we'll still do the same peg in here, peg in the floor, I don't care, peg together, whatever. We'll figure that out. The secretary's gonna go right here, okay? So from the back of the shower to the secretary, I might have room for a small locker here. I need you to, when you get this shower framed out, and we know this space, I just need that measurement. And then my secretary's gonna go here, and then the black 4-drawer cabinet that I ordered that's coming your way goes here. The bed will have to move up, 4 or 5 inches, and I want this to hang over about an inch or two. That way I can tuck my blanket in, and that way I don't hit my leg on this hard surface. So that is my idea for that. And and the headboard thing, we are not doing that anymore. I'm gonna get a series of baskets and we're just gonna line them along there. That's what we decided is gonna give us the most room and storage, and then we can put cups in there or whatever we end up